Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. Since the long-term outlook for cryptocurrency prices is promising as of late, we have some crucial and time-sensitive updates to discuss in the market today. Right now, my crypto outlook is really bullish. Also, I'd like to fill you in on some recent developments in the cryptocurrency market that are crucial to know about if you're serious about making money in this space. As always, I won't give you any money advice, so give it a thumbs up if you agree. So, without further ado, let's watch the video. My first piece of news is that the current Bitcoin price is looking fairly healthy. So, right around here, we've had a couple of leg ups. For all to see recently, we reached a new all-time high of just under 28,000. You can see the decline in Bitcoin's price here in recent days, but the cryptocurrency is currently staging a quiet but steady ascent. This augurs well for Bitcoin and for the future of the cryptocurrency market. Coming out of CS, he says, seeing Peter Schiff convert makes me happy. If you're unfamiliar with Peter Schiff, he's a very intriguing American economist and one of Bitcoin's biggest detractors, but he's now investigating the cryptocurrency after realizing its potential. In case you missed it, I posted a tweet a while back about an upcoming collaborative art effort between myself and one of my favorite artists in the marketplace. Among the results of this partnership are a series of prints and ordinals based on the Bitcoin blockchain and an original painting titled Golden Triumph. Visit onemarketprice.com/golden for details. So, what exactly is he talking about at that very moment? And therefore Bitcoin base values. This is a brand new frontier in the world of cryptocurrencies, and we recently sponsored a coin called Pepe that was discussed on the channel. This is a brand new and exciting field in cryptography. Learning these new areas is essential if you want to make money in the crypto industry. And if you're not familiar with Bitcoin orders, we've provided a brief overview for you right here. According to this definition, a Bitcoin block stores a single ordinal, which is a piece of data written to the blockchain and referred by a unique address likewise contained in the blockchain's data structure. Therefore, as long as Bitcoin or any of its forks exist, the data is present. Erasing it would require the end of Bitcoin and the deletion of every copy of the blockchain, which is practically impossible. So, guys, if you've got Peter Schiff venturing into ordinals, it's a significant area in crypto to pay attention to because it is an area and it does have that meme value behind it. After the video, I will share an update on Pepe and some information about a cryptocurrency called a Memecoin. However, the fact that another group of individuals desire Dogecoin is what gives it worth. Therefore, humans derive value from what other humans want, making cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin valuable. It's as easy as that, and the artistic worth of Bitcoin ordinals is reflected in their rarity on the blockchain. In this way, Dogecoin can be compared to limited edition artwork or even a collectible cryptocurrency like a pet. This is because, similar to how some works of art can sell for tens of millions of dollars despite having no practical use, Dogecoin has a limited supply and thus a high collectible value. Maybe it's just a really unique painting that's worth a lot because of its aesthetic merit. However, the Enigma value, which is the primary value, is what makes some of these meme coins so valuable. Now, we turn to other major developments. The Winklevoss twins, together with CZ, have arrived in Dubai. I predict that the crypto industry in Dubai, one of the world's crypto epicenters, will explode in the next 5 years. Binance.com is also the center of attention due to recent developments. So it seems to be making acquisitions in Japan and possibly other parts of the economy. This is encouraging news, since it indicates that Nance plans to invest in banks in an effort to promote pro-cryptocurrency policies like those implemented by CZ. Practically speaking, it will be very difficult to use that exchange without fiat on ramps, but you never know. By Nance, you guys know he's got tons of money and potentially he might just start buying up the banks to push pro-crypto regulations. So you may have known in Australia that Binance is effectively out to buy up the banks to push pro-crypto regulations. In the near future, that is a red flag for the cryptocurrency market. Another trend worth keeping an eye on is the development of video. Beware the ascent of AIVE. Been discussing this topic on air. However, AI does have much promise, and it may yet prove to be a major technological shift. There is currently a gold rush for processing chips, video card chips, as they want to power AI supercomputers and similar things, so keep an eye out for some very fascinating AI crypto projects. Keep an eye out for it from a technological standpoint, and if we look at the crypto bubbles today, you can see that the market has had a mixed day overall. Long term, I'm feeling fairly enthusiastic about crypto. We actually leaped back to the Bitcoin price, and some people won, some people are flat, and some are losing. If we take a step back and look at the big picture, we can see that the recent upswing has been promising. In case you hadn't heard, the US debt ceiling caused a lot of tension on the market. This debt ceiling thing seems to have died down for the next 2 years, which is good news. One thing I remain confident in saying is that I expect significant inflation to persist in the economy. If the debt ceiling is increased, that implies more money will be printed and spent, which begs the question, who foots the bill? Prices may rise in the future if the average person foots the tab when shopping and filling up their cars with gas, but we are committed to the long term and can weather the storm. I'm saying we're looking good long term in crypto, and I'm saying we're looking good right now with Bitcoin because, once again, Bitcoin is a limited in supply alternative money supply to the US dollar, and I think long term we could be looking at some very explosive Bitcoin prices once the Bitcoin halvening happens next year. But guys, that's a very big update to watch out for. Thank you, as usual, for your likes and subscriptions. See you in the next video. Bye.